Hey there, Akshot Gupta here. And today, I'm excited to reveal something that's going to change the way you create content, branding, marketing assets, and client projects forever. If you've ever wanted to launch your own design agency, create high-converting business assets, or build everything a new business needs, but got stuck because of skills, tools, or expensive subscriptions, then pay close attention. Because what I'm about to show you gives you every essential business creation tool in one dashboard with no learning curve, no freelancers, and no recurring fees. Introducing ReadyBiz AI, the only AI platform that replaces dozens of expensive apps and lets you create logos, flyers, banners, websites, video ads, FB ad copies, social media posts, and AI-generated images in minutes. For the first time ever, stop paying for separate tools like Canva, Doodle, banner apps, logo apps, website builders, video ad software, and copywriting tools. Because ReadyBiz AI brings everything under one roof. What ReadyBiz AI can create for you in just clicks. Logo generator. Create brand-ready, professional logos instantly. Flyer maker. Stunning promotional flyers for any niche. Banner creator. Web banners, ad banners, promo banners. Website builder. Build responsive business sites in minutes. Video ads maker. Scroll-stopping product and marketing videos. FB ads copy generator. High-converting ad copy written by AI. Social media post designer. Viral Instagram, FB, and LinkedIn posts. AI image generator. Create original visuals from any idea or keyword. All inside one smooth, powerful dashboard, available in 100+ languages. Who is ReadyBiz AI for? Whether you're an entrepreneur, digital marketer, agency owner, graphic designer, e-com seller, freelancer, or someone starting a new business, ReadyBiz AI gives you all the tools you need to design, promote, and grow without paying for 10+ separate apps. Start your own design and marketing agency from day one, because you're getting the entire creative toolbox needed to sell services like logo design, video ads creation, banner and flyer design, website building, social media content, ad copywriting, custom business branding, image creation. You can sell these on Fiverr, Upwork, Freelancer, local businesses, Instagram DMs, Facebook groups, WhatsApp clients, and earn big without doing any manual work. How it works: 3 simple steps. Log in to ReadyBiz AI. Choose the asset you want: logo, flyer, banner, website, video, post, or image. Click generate and watch AI create everything in seconds. And yes, you also get premium bonuses. 1,000+ DIY brand templates, ready-made website themes, social media calendar templates, one-click export for any platform, commercial rights, reseller rights option, 0 monthly fees, lifetime deal, unlimited downloads and usage. Warning: this will change the entire design and marketing industry. No need to hire designers. No need to learn complex software. No need for expensive subscriptions. ReadyBiz AI replaces them all. Get lifetime access at a one-time price before it goes monthly, backed by a 30-day money-back guarantee, so your investment is fully safe. This is your moment to create any business asset for yourself or for clients instantly and effortlessly. Click the button below to activate ReadyBiz AI and start creating logos, flyers, banners, websites, ads, and visuals today.